Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next.
Now I'm using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is Happy Mother's Day card. This is happy word. Draw Y letter like this. This is M letter. This is O letter. Now I'm drawing T letter. This is H letter. This is E letter. This is R letter. This is S letter. This is day word. Draw the Y letter like this. Here I am using green color highlighter for shading. Shade like this, down to upwards. Fill like this. If you want, you can use green color crayon, color pencil, oil pastel, sketch pen, whatever you want. Fill like this. Same color repeat here. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this upper part with yellow color brush pen. Fill like this. If you want, you can use yellow color crayon, marker pen, sketch pen, color pencil, whatever you want. Here I am drawing book shape. Draw like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs or color pens? Comment on comment section. Please follow on Instagram. Link given in the description box. If you want any type of cover page designs, border designs, comment on comment section. Here I am drawing eyes, mother eyes, nose. Draw the lip like this. I am drawing face. Draw like this. This is outline of mother. Draw like this. Neck, hand, and one more hand. Here I am drawing baby. Boy face. Draw like this. I am drawing hair. Fill like this. Here I am using black color brush pen for hair. I am drawing eyes. This is nose, lips. Now I am using black color brush pen. If you want, you can use color pencil, black color pencil, color pen, sketch, crayon, whatever you want. Fill like this. Now I am using blue color brush pen. Fill like this. If you want, you can use any other colors. I am using pink color brush pen. Fill like this. This is black color pencil. Now I am using red color pencil. This is skin color. Fill like this. Then I am using pista green color.